I got the great honor to stand here with a ceremonial shovel that was here for the groundbreaking.
So we're celebrating lessons learned, and you created a template for others to follow. And you didn't think small. You think big. As one of the largest ecosystem restoration projects this world has witnessed.
You have demonstrated that it is possible to think, to invest, and to act at the ecosystem scale when it comes to restoring nature.
I tell you, this is nothing short of amazing. And everyone here, what you've done is job well done.
We are truly standing on the shoulder of giants here today, and we thank you for all of your hard work and really look forward to the ribbon cutting.
The red ribbon represents the Corps. The blue ribbon will represent our partners in restoration and the South Florida Water Management District.